Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been able to generate over $1,000 promoting the Payoneer platform, then also show you how you yourself can start promoting them, then make as much as possible with a unique method I'm about to share with you. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, we have different kinds of products. We have some products that convert really well, and we have some products that don't really convert. Now, looking at the Payoneer platform, this is a platform that converts really well because the people we're going to be referring don't have to make payments before they start using the Payoneer platform, and upon that, when they sign up, they're also going to gain access to sign up bonus. So take for example, if you use my own unique Payoneer affiliate link to create an account with Payoneer, you're going to gain access to $50 sign up bonus. So this is just how it works. So take for example, I would love to create an account with Payoneer, and you tell me that if I use your Payoneer affiliate link, I'm going to gain access to $50 sign up bonus, and I don't have to pay before I start using the Payoneer platform. Obviously, I would love to create an account with your unique link because I'm going to gain access to $50 sign up bonus. So this is what makes it so easy to promote the platform, and this is what I've been doing, and this is how I've been able to generate over $1,000 in the process. And I'm going to show you how you yourself can start promoting them, then make as much as possible. So if it is something you would like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so thanks for joining me once again, and like I said earlier, I'm going to show you how you yourself can start promoting the Payoneer platform and make as much as possible with the method I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. But before that, let me quickly log into my Payoneer affiliate account and see how much I've been able to make, so you yourself can know that this method I'm about to share with you is working and can really make you money. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head over to the Payoneer affiliate account, then show you how much I've been able to make in the process. All right, so I've just logged in, and as you can see, I've been able to make over $9 in the last 7 days. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over to reports here, then click on conversion report so we can see how much I've been able to make in total. So as you can see, I've been able to make $1,210. Now this is how this affiliate commission works. So if you remember, I said if you want to create an account with Payoneer, you don't have to pay before you start using their service. So Payoneer is a payment system whereby when you create an account with them, they give you access to different bank accounts that you can use to start receiving international payments. So take for example, you want to make money online and you have partners or you have clients that want to pay you from abroad. So when you create an account with Payoneer, you're going to be given access to different account numbers in different currency or in different country, and you'll be able to receive international payments. So as an affiliate, this is how we make money. So when they successfully create an account with Payoneer, when they start receiving money to their Payoneer account, and when they start withdrawing this money to their local bank account, or they try sending this money to another person or to their client or to whoever it is they want to send money to, Payoneer is going to charge them a fee on all the transactions that are being carried out in their Payoneer account. So the commission we're going to be making is from the transaction fee that Payoneer is going to be charging them. So it's easier to bring them on board because they don't have to pay to create an account to start using Payoneer. But when they've created an account, for all of the transactions that will be carried out in the account, you're going to get a tiny commission from all of them. So this is why it makes it so easy to promote the Payoneer platform. So for example, you refer somebody in the year 2020 and this person keeps using he or her Payoneer account till 2040, you're still going to be getting a cut from the transaction fee from that person's account. So this is basically how it works. All right, so now for you to start promoting this, now the method I'm using is that I look at the pain points of people that would love to use the Payoneer platform. So majority of the people that would love to use the Payoneer platform are people that don't have access to, take for example, Stripe or PayPal. So when I discovered that Stripe and PayPal are not available in majority of countries, what I do is I target those countries that Stripe and PayPal are not supported, then promote Payoneer to them. So one of the easiest way you can promote this is, for example, you can easily create a simple blog that targets users of Payoneer. So you could go for keyword like PayPal alternative or Stripe alternative for so and so country. So for example, in Nigeria here, Stripe is not supported and PayPal is not supported. So you could just create content like PayPal alternative in Nigeria or Stripe alternative in Nigeria. And when you start ranking for this keyword, when people start creating an account with Payoneer using your unique affiliate link, you start getting commission from the sale. And by the way, I have a short presentation on how you can easily set up blogs, then start promoting affiliate offer using SEO like I just talked about. All right, so if you're interested in this, I'm going to add a link to the presentation at the description of the video, so you can just go there, watch the video, and see how you can set up niche blog, then start promoting affiliate product and start banking with affiliate commission. So this is basically how you can do it. All right, so you can easily set up a YouTube channel, or if you want to go with the blog route, you can also set up a unique blog and start creating content around this keyword. Look for country where the popular gateway like Payoneer, Stripe are not available, then target this country, introducing Payoneer to them as an alternative to the popular payment system that are not available in this country. All right, so this is what I've been doing, and this is how I've been able to make over $1,000 in the process with a couple of videos I did on YouTube on how to use Payoneer. All right, so this is basically how you can do it and start making money with the Payoneer payment system. All right, so the next thing you want to do now is to create an account with Payoneer if you don't have an account already. And if you have an account already, what you want to do is create an account with the Payoneer affiliate program, then link your Payoneer affiliate program with your Payoneer account, because all of the commission you're going to be making from the Payoneer affiliate program is going to be sent to your Payoneer normal account. So for those that don't have a Payoneer account, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go there, create an account with them, and link it together with your affiliate account and start getting paid to your Payoneer account. All right, so this is basically how you can start promoting Payoneer and make money in the process. And like I said earlier, I have a short presentation on how me and my partner have been able to set up unique affiliate blog, then generate over $200,000 in the process. So we've been able to set up different blogs that target different affiliate offers and be able to make over $200,000 in all of our affiliate blog together. Right, so if you're interested in setting something up like this, just go to the description of the video, click the link there, watch the presentation, and see how yourself can get started and start making money with affiliate marketing. All right, so this is basically how to make money with the Payoneer affiliate program. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.